Hello, Dr. Casella here, and in this video I'll be talking about the input function, which is a built-in Python function, and it allows you to get input from the keyboard and then you can process it later. You've seen this function before, but I'm going to go over it again. So anyway, let's go. I'll do it through an example. Here's a new file. All right, so I'm going to create a function. I'll define a function, say hello. Okay, and I'm not going to have any argument in it. And I've got the indentation because that's where my body, how my function's defined. And I'm going to create a variable named name. And I'm going to say that's equal to input. All right, so now input's going to prompt the user, as you probably already know, and it's going to prompt it with this message. What is your name? All right, and then I'm going to put a \n, and that is a carriage return. So after it prints what is your name with the question mark, then there'll be a carriage return. And so when I enter the information, it'll be underneath. It won't be right next to it. So it'll just look better to the person using the program. So name equals input, what is your name? And then I will, okay, I don't know why it did that. I don't need all that indenting. So I'll put print, and then I'll say hello. Well, okay, I could put a comma there. I could put hello name, all right, and then after that I could say I could put a exclamation point there. Now, there's another way I could have written that. Let me go backspace. So here I have it separated with commas. Another way I could have done it is I could just put the plus sign, which concatenates strings. So hello is being concatenated with whatever was entered for name, and that's going to be concatenated with the exclamation point. So we could take a look and see how see if there's any difference in the display on the computer for these different ways of printing. So let's say hello. All right. And we'll run that. So let's see. Whoops. File. Save. Yeah, save it. Replace it. And we will run the module. End of line with scanning. See what happened here. Oh, I see what happened. I had an error because I forgot to put my. All right, so I've got to stop this. Okay, so what I forgot is my end quote there. Okay. And so I didn't see that end parenthesis because it was contained within the string. All right, let me save that. File, save, and then I'll hit run module. And there it says, what is your name? Okay, so now I'm going to enter George. And you can see the two different ways it says it. So here it says hello George, and there's a lot of space between the hello and the George and the exclamation point. That was using the comma method, right? So where it printed the three things distinctly and very clearly distinctly. Here, in the second way, I used the plus sign, which concatenates strings. And here I had the space already built in when I wrote it there. And here it just says, hello, George. And then there's no space with the exclamation point because I didn't put one there. And it just concatenated all those strings together. All right, so that's the keyboard input. Bye for now.